Welcome again to Train the GIDDYWAY. Yes, that's a brand name. And if you are a newbie, you're the first time seeing this face, this is GIDDY GÈLÈ. And right here, I teach people how to tie gèlè, the GIDDYWAY. So guys, today there's this trendy style. So I said, let me try it out. So as I'm trying it out, if I get it, I'm posting it. Yes. It was done by one of my most respected colleagues. She's very creative and all. That's Abydouz GÈLÈ. If you know Abydouz GÈLè, you know Abydouz is very, very, very creative. Yeah, very creative. So I want to try that style. If I get it, you are lucky. But if I don't, so drum roll. This is the style on the screen. She tried it recently for my Siagbe. So we're gonna go. So by my calculation, the one at the top should be like 60 or 70. So let's use 70. Let's see. Let's try 70. Let's try 70. 70. So we are doing 70-30, and you know your circle comes in length 90 or more. So any circle that is not up to length 90 or more, just know saying a data gèlè be that one, or they have cut from it. You get. So now let's go. So what do we do? You share into 2 equal half. People of God, you share into 2 equal half. When you share into 2 equal half, that's 50-50. Then you leave the one inside. You don't fold outside, you fold inside. You fold it inside, it becomes 25. Now from the middle of your 25, how many are you going to add to it to give you 30, which is 5? This is it, and our hands like this is 5. So from here this way, that's 30. So from here 30 is 70. So you're not taking from the smaller side, you take your plate from the bigger side. So let's take our plates. Let's take our plates. Let's take our plates. Let's take our plates. Alright, so guys, let's go there. So now, if I do it like this, the short one will be on top. If I do it like this, the long one will be on top. Now I'm going to be doing it like this because why? I'm right down there, so I'll be comfortable doing it this way. But if there's a way you want it to come exactly the way it's on the screen, you do your sharing by this other side of the gèlè. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. We're about to slay the Abydouz way. So I'll be teaching you the GIDDY GÈLè way. So you know, the name of the brand is GIDDYWAY. Train the GIDDYWAY. So when you hear that now, you should know some styles I tie here are not for me, and I just do it the GIDDYWAY. Some are for some gèlè stylists. I created it and all. Okay. Okay, so now alright, so we'll arrange it very well. Arrange it very well. Both firm and flat. Then you arrange this side also. So allow the long one to come up while the short one will go down, because it's the longer one we are using. So you see we have shared now. Bring this one back, but make sure the sharing is very tight, because you see this short one now, we're leaving it at the back because we're not going to be using it, but the person is going to hold here very firm. Now let's try to pick. Now this gèlè, if you notice it very well, it's coming like this. So instead of bringing it to the middle, it's going to come like this from this side. So you pick your pleats. Okay, so make sure we keep arranging backward. Now you see the thing I'm having issue with. I don't know how to arrange from my left to my right. Because I'm a right-handed gèlè, so I type from my right to so that one now might be one of my difficulties in achieving this style, but we'll do our best. We'll do our best. If I were to pick it from this side this way, it would have been easy for me. For safety purpose and firmness, let me pin this on. Let me pin here down some part of the V so that it doesn't move. So now I'm going to break. See, pray this gèlè allow me do it very well. Now I'll break some here. Now you notice something. So I'm breaking it, I'm trying to move it. I don't want each plate on top of each other. A little bit backward so that the style will move backward. So we'll continue like that. So you have to be holding it firm. Backward. Now, the thing is about the shape here. You know, when we are breaking fan, there's a way we break it there, we start returning it. The up will not be big, the down will not be small. The up will not be small, the down will not be big. In order for us to be able to bring it down gently without how would I say it? In order for us to be able to get the shape right. If not, we might not be able to get the shape right, and bringing it down will be a problem also. So okay, so what will happen? You hold here very firm for me, and also hold here very firm. So see what I will do. I'm going to take like this first two. So we'll take this first two now, cross it over this way. Cross it over this way. We'll drag it and we'll pin. So that everything here arranged to the back, you see what to roll them with. You twist them and just the pin here. All right, first of all, let's address the back. Okay, so now that we have pinned, see another thing, my gèlè is not that good, so please manage with me. My gèlè is old cargo. So you see, for me to get this time, I have to, this one now, I'll arrange it backward. For this style. So I'll arrange this one backward. Once I arrange it backward, I can just push it and pin here. You get, push it and I pin. Okay, so this is it. This is it. So for here now, I can just drag all this side so that it will be firm and neat. So if you have a good and a better Ashoke, I think yours will come out better. So now that I'm done with the front, ladies and gentlemen, let me go to the back and see what I can still create. Now for the back, I might even pin here. There's a way, see, you have to be creative, but the person have to hold it for you. I can pin and still create fun. That's one thing. You can still be very, very creative with the back. You can create a fan, and create extra pattern at the back. And I'll still look for how to pin it. So it depends on what you are doing with yours. You can decide to just, okay, let me just fold it and wrap, or me, I can decide, okay, I want to do something dramatic with mine and the back. I want to be a bit dramatic at the back. Once I'm done, I will just spin. So definitely the way I wrap my back or the way I do my drama can be different from the way you two do yours. Okay, so guys, this is it. 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 All right, so thank you. I will wait to see you guys try this out. Thank you.